Did you know that every second, 20 bottles of Bordeaux wine are sold around the world? Almost all of that wine is red. But did you know that Bordeaux also makes amazing white wines? One of the first places people learn about when they start learning about wine is Bordeaux. The iconic French region is known for its age-worthy, very expensive red wines. Meaning beside the water, Bordeaux has a moderate maritime climate. This means it rains throughout the year and it's never too hot nor too cold. This climate leads to structured, fresh, and age-worthy red wines. However, that moderate climate can also produce some very refreshing and tasty white wines too. Just as with the red wines of Bordeaux, most of the white wines are blends of different grape varieties. Blending allows the winemaker to ensure the wine is balanced each year, which can be tough to do when you have a moderate maritime climate. Rain, humidity, and weather fluctuations can cause major vintage variation, so blending helps with quality and consistency. The two main grapes used in white Bordeaux wines are Semillon and Sauvignon Blanc. These grapes don't need a ton of heat to ripen properly, and Semillon specifically is quite resistant to wet and rainy weather. Sauvignon Blanc provides a mix of grassy, pineapple, herbaceous aromas along with high levels of acidity, whereas Semillon provides body, texture, beeswax, and apple flavors to the blend. These grapes can be grown anywhere in Bordeaux, but we mainly see them grown in 4 appellations producing very different styles: Bordeaux Blanc, Entre-deux-Mers, Pessac-Léognan, and Sauternes. Bordeaux Blanc is a dry and refreshing white wine, and the grapes can be grown pretty much anywhere in Bordeaux. However, some top producers who make wines in prestigious regions, such as Sauternes, where only sweet wines can be made, might label their dry wines as Bordeaux Blanc. Entre-deux-Mers, meaning between the two seas, produces dry, light, and refreshing white wines with high levels of zesty acidity. Graves and Pessac-Léognan produce oak, age-worthy examples, some of the finest white wines in the world, in part thanks to their gravel soils. Sauternes produces lusciously sweet, age-worthy, fine wines. Grapes in Sauternes undergo noble rot on the vine, which shrivels them, concentrating the sugar inside. The resulting wines are some of the finest, long-lived sweet wines in the world. The wine you're going to taste with Madeleine is made with grapes from Sauternes, but the wine is dry and labeled as Bordeaux Blanc. Enjoy!
All right, hey folks, we are tasting Chateau Ducasse Bordeaux Blanc 2021 vintage. Taking a look at the color, this looks to be a medium yellow to me on the nose. Gooseberry, pithy grapefruit, fresh cut grass, a little lime peel, some crushed gravel, and a sweetness almost like white peach. Let's give it a taste. Zaps you in your mouth with lime and cucumber. Textured phenolic bitterness on the mid palate, finishes lean, bone dry at 12% alcohol by volume. Yes, hot, light body, no tannin, medium plus, potentially high acidity, alcohol's in the middle there, and bone dry. If I'm going for food, I want to drink this wine now. Serve cold with Thai food. I'm thinking pad Thai, or maybe some green curry, or if you like Indian food, try some palak paneer.